replacing batteries and pedals on a UBK Precor upright bike. I have the pedals removed already. Second, you want to remove the top cover and the back cap. Once you have the back cap removed, remove all your screws. And you only have to remove one side to get to the battery. Battery is going to be located right under the crankshaft. I already have the new battery installed, and it just sits in here. Doesn't lock in any special place. It sits right. There's a little cubby for it. I replaced the belt on this one. It's got a brand new crankshaft. I replaced. Alternator or generator looks good. Motherboard checks out. Now we're going to close her up, put new pedals on. Refurbished, done.